In this video, you'll learn how to change the menu in WordPress. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to customize your website's navigation effectively. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, locate and click on the option labeled Appearance. This action will reveal a submenu with several options for customizing your site. Next, select Editor from the submenu. This will take you to the editing interface, allowing you to modify various aspects of your site's design. Once the editor screen loads, look for the section titled Design. Here you will find an option for navigation. Click on Navigation to proceed. After clicking Navigation, you will see two main sections, a page list and an option for page link. The page list displays all the pages currently available on your site, while the page link allows you to add new items to your menu. To add new menu items, focus on the search box that appears within the navigation section. Type in the name of the page you wish to add, such as Home, About, or Contact. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search box. Once you see the desired page in the search results, click on it to add it to your menu. This action should update the menu with the selected page, ensure that the new item appears in the list of menu items before proceeding. After you have added all the desired items to your menu, look for the Save button located at the top right of the screen. Click Save to confirm your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all modifications made to the menu are stored and reflected on your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.